The second classification of the hadith is the marfu'. Now literally to translate the marfu', it's the lifted or the traced. What does marfu' mean? The marfu' is any hadith which you ascribe to the Imam. The Imam said that, the Imam did that, but you don't give a full chain. We call this marfu'. So if one of the narrators is mentioning something from one of the Imams, and he did not live in the era of that Imam, that narrator says, Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam said so and so. The Prophet, peace be upon him, did so and so. This is called a marfu' hadith. Because basically, he doesn't provide us his link to the Imam. This, in the science of hadith, is called a hadith that is marfu'. So when you see scholars saying this hadith is marfu', we know there's a break in it. It's not a connected hadith. The narrators may be all reliable, but the last narrator, right, that the chain ends with, he does not have a chain to the Imam. He's just saying that the Imam said so, but he does not have a direct link to the Imam. We call this hadith marfu'. Many of the ahadith that we have are marfu'. You have a solid chain until you reach the last narrator. The last narrator never met the Imam, but he says, Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam said so and so. This hadith is called marfu'. And a marfu' hadith technically cannot be considered a sahih hadith because of that break in the chain. So you have to look at other clues to verify whether this hadith is correct or not. Any questions about the marfu' hadith?